Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, even, class. Whatever relates to the time you see this video, okay? Here, I'm going to go over a few examples of what we're doing, what we have been doing, okay, and what we may be doing going on to the future. Now, previously, before these circumstances have come upon us, we were dividing whole numbers by fractions, dividing fractions by whole numbers. I'm going to go over a few examples of those because you do have work this week that consists of dividing whole numbers by fractions and fractions by whole numbers, but you also will have work that requires you to divide a fraction by a fraction, which we have not done in class yet, okay? That's actually going to be a separate video. This video is just going to be things that we have done and some things that we will be doing this week, just as a refresher going forward. So, okay, I'm going to give you an example of what's going on here. Okay, so for instance, we have a whole number here, 2, divided by 3 over 4, okay? What we would do first is, okay, I understand we have a whole number here. Remember, in order to turn this whole number into a fraction, we just put a 1 under the 2, okay? And to get our answer, we simply change our divisional sign to a multiplication symbol. Okay, we keep 2 over 1 times. Now, this is the part we have to remember. This is the part we have to get right. Okay, especially going forward with the next steps and actually the next type of equations we will do. Okay, you have to, okay? You have to multiply 2 over 1 times the reciprocal of the second number. Our reciprocal here will be actually 4 over 3. So we have 2 times 4, which equals 8. And we have 1 times 3, which equals 3. Now we have part of our answer. As you may remember, this is only part of our answer because this is an improper fraction. We must change this improper fraction into what we call a mixed fraction, okay? So here we go. We have, I'm going to 8 over 3. Remember, 3 goes into 8. How many times? Twice. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? And we have 8 minus 6, which is 2, which gives us an answer of 2 over 3 for that problem. All right? Now, I'm going to give you an example of a problem in which the fraction is going to be divided by the whole number, okay? So here we have, let's think of a random fraction, 5 over 8 divided by 3, okay? This is our equation. Now we have the whole number to the right instead of the whole number to the left, okay? What we would do, class, remember, first step, let's change our division problem to a multiplication. You have 5 over 8 times second step, let's turn our whole number into a fraction. And we know we do that by putting a 1 under the 3. Now we multiply our first fraction times the reciprocal of the second fraction or number.